Let's see today how to install VPN in Chrome. Just search VPN extension, VPN extension Chrome, and search. Click enter button and go to first link. Do you see free VPN for Chrome? VPN. Add to Chrome. Add extension. And just wait some time. It's downloading and processing. Installing in our Chrome. Just wait some time. Yes, it's already installed in our Chrome. For visible, we need to click here and click the pin button and it's visible here. And you can use these plugins easily. Just click here and continue. Start. Ad blocker. I don't need. Just click here and it's connecting. The You can see this color is already changed green and it's working. Its VPN is connected and you can work. You can change. You can also change country here, different country here, and we can see just locking. It's premium. We don't need premium. We can use free. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and comment below. It's help you or not.